I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair.
Hey guys, it's Ray. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did my nails for Disney. Now, bear with me because in this first design, I wore these the week before I went, and I went home on Friday from school and they were all broken. So I had to redo them. So this is my first design, and I also wanted to give you guys a little bit of a video of my polygel application. It's not perfect, and I still use the 2-bead method, but it works for me. So what works for you works for you, but what works for me works for me. Here's my inspo pic, and I just wanted to do some cute and simple Disney inspired nails, and I wanted to go for Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse inspired nails. So I was so excited to do these nails. So yeah, so just chill, enjoy, watch the video, and I'll be back to talk to you.
I really want to show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay guys, so here's where I had my first technical difficulty. I tried filming the first part of my French tip and everything and went to go find the footage. The footage was not there. Where did the footage go? I don't know. I might contact Apple. But here's me. I did Mickey Mouse ears and I did dots all around. I like this first design that I did. Will I do it again? Yeah, probably sometime in the future. Here's the shot where it's far away because my camera cut out again. But when my camera cuts out, it's still filming. So here's the end product because again, it cut out. Okay, here's my first attempt of doing my Disney nails again. So I went in with the Beetles long square tips. I use Beetles to make my press-on nails, and the Beetles medium square tips, they're square, but these are the long square tips, and these look like that they're coffin. I did not file. The only thing I did was I did my regular Gel X. I filed around the cuticle. Didn't file. I didn't even file the sides yet. I put on the gel polish. It was just not giving. So I tried to file off camera. It still was not giving. So I ended up taking these ones off, and I'll come back when it is my second attempt.
Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill.
Okay guys, so now that I did my French, I went in with my chrome powder, and the chrome powder just did not like me. I have a love-hate relationship with chrome powder. Okay, now I went in with 2 different colors of polygel for my final attempt. I went in with soft jade and soft pink from Gel Favor, and this champagne nude color shimmer, I don't know where it's from. It might be Costella because it's in a very little bottle. It might be from Costella, but I don't know. I don't even know where I got it from to be sharing. But my nails turned out very good this time. Again, I came home from school on Friday. I attempted to do my nails on Friday. I failed. I woke up on Saturday morning right before my 6 o'clock flight. I started doing my nails at 12. It takes me about 2 hours. I soaked off my last set, redid them, and did this set. And I'm so glad that I did that because I did not want to go to Disney with no raggedy nails. So, yeah, I'm just glad I fixed everything and was ready to go on my trip. Nope, I lied. I ended up completely scrapping the Minnie Mouse ears look, and that bow is super cute, but I ended up scrapping it, and I ended up doing all red because I was going to do black and silver. But yeah, I ended up doing all red. Here's me in the airport right after I did them, and here's me in the pool. I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.